Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make turn your portrait photo into like your profile picture on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want this to be my profile picture, right? But I don't want to zoom in too much, and I also don't want to have like this weird like empty space, and that's just being weird if I made it my profile picture. So select your photo, go to AI Stylize, select style, go to AI Painting, and you're going to select Autofill. It does like fill it weirdly because it's AI, but if you scale it up, it won't be too zoomed in, and you can just crop the rest out. If you want it to be in the middle, just zoom in a little bit. And as you can see, you'll have this nice photo instead. I know I did crop it out, but it does work, trust me. Here, I'll show you like with this image. It's, if I go to AI Stylize and do the exact same thing, it's going to fill and it's going to like push your figure further. So you can make this a profile picture without having to zoom in that much because it filled in the rest of the area. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!